Hi guys, I'm back. Well, I don't know if I'm gonna put this on YouTube or if I'm just gonna put it on Instagram, but today I want to try these lash clusters that I got from the TikTok shop. This is what they look like. The packaging was really nice, and this is like where it came in. It's really pretty, and it comes with like 3 different sets of lash clusters. I've never used lash clusters like the way that they're used now with the bond and seal. I only use them with like regular eyelash glue, like on top of my eyelashes with my full makeup done, my full glam of course. And these are from the brand Hohadbr. Hohadbr. I don't know guys, I don't know, but this is what they look like. And since I don't know how to use them, we're basically gonna learn together. I should have looked up a little tutorial. It would have been easier, but I don't like to look up tutorials. I'm just ready to get into it. I don't know if I should be curling my eyelashes, but I'm gonna do it anyways. I feel like that's gonna make them look better maybe. I don't know. Okay, so it comes with the bond and seal and then a remover also. So let's go ahead and open it. I wonder if it dries like super quick, or I feel like it would be tacky, right? Honestly, I feel like I have tried lash clusters. I think the ones that I've tried are the ones from Kiss, but they weren't all that good. I don't know if it's the bond or what, or if I didn't do it correctly, because that could be it too. So let me just open this. Having a hard time. And then it also came with the tweezers. Sorry if I'm not in the frame. I'm like getting used to recording again for like YouTube or like this like long ways type of thing. I don't know what I'm talking about guys, but usually I record like the other way for like Instagram and TikTok, and right now it's like, what is this called, like landscape I think? I don't know. Okay, so let's go ahead and apply the bond. Like, it comes with instructions actually. Let me see. Guys, my throat is so freaking itchy. From what? Gently roll the lash band. Okay, that's something else. Apply the lash bond on your natural lashes. Okay, so maybe I should use a different mirror so you guys can see. Guys, my throat. I already drank some like cold medicine because so, I think this is how you do it. I don't know. Like, I kind of made a mess on my eyelid, but we shall continue. I'm gonna do one eye first and then we'll do the next. I feel like maybe that's easier. I don't know. Okay, so now we're gonna grab the clusters. This is the one I'm using. On the little plastic thing it says 150p. I'm not sure what that means, but let's go ahead and try. And like, should I use this one that says 10? Guys, it's because I don't know if I want them to be too long. But since it's like, I should start on the outer corner, huh? Okay, we're gonna do 14, I guess. And we're gonna try and like stick it on there. Oh, nice, guys. That's pretty. Okay. And what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna set the ones that I used for the other eye, so I won't forget, because I feel like I'm gonna forget. Should I do more 14s? I think I should. Okay, so another 14. It's actually not as hard as I thought it would be. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. Okay, I think I'm gonna do another 14, but let me set the one for the other eye, because I feel like I will forget for real. For real, for real. Okay, so 14. And this is not sponsored, by the way. I am gonna link it on my TikTok shop, but that's about it. Ah! It freaking fell. It looks pretty cute, period. So I think I have 3. Right, I have 3 in that eye. And I think I'm gonna do 12 now, since I do want to keep it kind of short. Just cause. Okay, here's another 12. And I feel like if I push it up with this side of the little tweezer, it like helps for sure. So I have 3 13s, 1 at 12, and what else? I think I'm gonna do another 12. I obviously need to practice more using them because they might not look the best. And I feel like that's good. Like, I shouldn't add more because then it's gonna be like too close to my eye, to like my inner corner basically. It's sticking to my bottom eyelash. Okay, and I think that's good. So I basically used 3 13s and 2. Oh no. 3 14s and 2 12s is what I think I used. And I'm gonna put on the seal. Oh, look how cool, guys. Also ignore this little hair. It's the one that I chopped off during Halloween, and it's just now growing like a lot longer, so it tends to get in my forehead. I think this is how, yeah. I thought we would apply like more of the bond underneath, but I think this is it. I think this is super cute, guys. I love getting my eyelashes done, like lash extensions, but for some reason my eyes are super sensitive to the glue that they use. And like the lash girl I used to go to, she would use different types of glues to like help my eyes and stuff, but I always get really paranoid because my eyes get so freaking red, and like it just scares me. It gives me anxiety, my eyeballs hurt, so I just thought it was for the best not to get them done. And yeah, but I do like to have a good eyelash moment. I just can't get them done, like extensions and stuff. But look how cute. I feel like this will do for now, and I also really like using lash strips. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other eye, and then I'm gonna be right back just so the video isn't too long and we could just get right into it. And maybe I'll do my makeup later on because I'm really feeling myself. Look how cute. Next time I might go a little bit longer because I am used to longer eyelashes, but these are perfect. I feel like these are good in between of like natural and like full. So I'll be right back. Done. I think they came out really cute, but I had a lot of difficulties with this eye. I did kind of mess up one little lash cluster, so I didn't use that. I just grabbed another one, and it kind of got a little bit messy. I'm gonna try and remove these little spots I left. It's like the lash bond thing. It got a little messy, so I'm gonna try and remove it with the micellar water. I've been using this one. This is the vitamin C one from Garnier, and I feel like it works best. Honestly, I feel like it works better than all the other ones that I've used, and it also leaves your skin looking really nice and glowy, and it looks like it is removing everything. So period. I am gonna try and do my makeup, but I might not do too much eyeshadow because I don't want them to get ruined, and I think they're looking super cute. And I don't know if I also added an extra one on this eye, guys, because I couldn't remember if I did 2 12s or just 1 12 on this eye, or if I like put these eyelashes a little bit too close to, you know, like I didn't put them, how do I explain that? Basically, I didn't put this last one as close to the outer corner as I did on this one. So I don't know, guys. I need to practice more. And yeah, this is what the lash clusters look like. I think they're super cute, and I will be definitely trying them out more. And I do recommend them because I don't think they're hard to use at all. It just takes a little bit of practice, and I think they look super cute. They're a little bit more affordable, or a lot more affordable than doing your eyelash extensions also. And they're just so cute, guys. Like, no cons, just a lot of pros. So that's all for today, guys. I will be back with a new video very soon. Bye.